Hello everyone and welcome to Acad Guild. In this video, we'll see how to work with index function. Now, previously we have seen match function. Match basically gives us the position number, relative position number in the array. So if I type as 300, it will give me 4. If I type as 5 allowances, it will give me some position number. But what exactly index will do? Index will give you the value on that position number. Okay, now it comes the opposite. So if you give the position number, it will give you the value here. Suppose if you ask position number 4, if you see, and position number 3, what is the value? So it will give you the answer as $7 here. Okay, $7. If you ask the position number as 6 and position number as 2, the answer it will give as 10. So you give the position number and it will give you the values. So index will give you the values at that particular position. Now, but before that, what we'll do is we have seen how to work on this match function. Equal to match lookup value, comma, that's my table array, that is lookup array, comma, 0. So I'll get the position number of 300. Same way, I'll try to find out the position number of this allowance, comma, that's my table array or lookup array, comma, 0. And close the bracket, enter. So I have got the position numbers 4 and 6. Okay, 4 stands for the row number. If you see, that's a row number, and column number is how much? 6. So how much is the value I'm expecting? That is $4. How do I get it? Okay, so we have a function named as index functions. So basically, if I give the row number and column number, I'll be getting the tax amount equal to index. Okay, so before I complete the the function here if you see the tooltip returns a value or reference of the cell at the intersection of a particular row and column. Okay, so intersection of row and column, done. So I'll press tab key from my keyboard. Now there are 3 parameters: array, comma, row number, comma, column number. So what is the array you want? I have this array. Do not select the column heading and the row heading. Okay, so my array starts, whatever is highlighted in the yellow color, that's my array here, comma, what is the row number you want? So I have already found out using this match function the relative position number. So row number is 4 at the moment, comma, and what is the column number? Column number is 6 at the moment, because if you see, that's the 6th column, and close the bracket. So once I press enter key, intersection of 4th row, let's find out 4th row and 5th column, 6th column, I should get the answer as $4. Okay, let's see, enter, and $4. If I enter here as 400 and if I enter here as 2, 400 income and 2 as allowance. So how much is the intersection? I'm getting as 8. See, because of this, the values are changing, and because of this, this particular value is changing. So 402, 400, that's a row number, and 2 is the column number. So how much is the value? I'm getting as $9. Okay, so $9. I made a mistake here. That is 400 and allowance is 2. So answer should be given as 8. So you see, answer is given as 8. Once again, let's try again. Equal to index, tab key. The first one is array. The yellow highlighted portion is array, comma, row number. I'll select the row number from here, comma, and the column number is this one. Now instead of row number, column number, why I'm selecting the cells? It is dynamic. I can also put here as row number 3, comma, column number 4, which would be making no sense. If it is rigid, it will make no sense. So we'll make it as dynamic by selecting this one as row number, comma, that's the column number, close the bracket, enter. So I'm getting the answer as, what I'm getting the answer as $8. You can just put here as 4. So 400 and $4 as the allowances, you're getting how much? 6. If you see the answer, you're getting 6. If you want to work with more advanced, in the sense, we can combine this 2 and this third formula or third function into one cell. How? Let us see that. I'll just type it here itself, equal to index, equal to index. The first one would be the same, that is the array, comma. Now whatever function is written here, okay, that's a match function. Instead of selecting this D13 cell number, why not write the match function here itself? Match, what do I want to match? That's my lookup value, comma, that's my lookup array, comma, 0, close the bracket. So this output will give me as row number. Okay, row number, comma. Now let's try to work with the column number. So if you want the output as the row number and column number, you have to always use the match function. Basically, if you want to give the relative position, use the match function. So equal to, oh, you don't have to type equal to. The magic would be just press tab key and that your lookup value, comma, lookup array, comma, 0. See, that's nothing new. I'm just trying to combine both the match functions inside the index function here. Okay, and once you press enter, you're getting the same value. So even if I delete these values, okay, this will change because that's a dependent one, but this will not change. Okay, if I type 200, if I type as 6 is not there, 4 or 2, you'll get the answer here, right? So this is very easy and simple method for working with index. So basically, if you want the position number in the array, use match function. Okay, if you want the value on that position, use the index function, right? So I hope you have understood how to work on index function, and that's all for this video. Hey guys, if you like the video, please support us by clicking on the like button and subscribe the channel for further new upcoming videos on Excel. Thank you.
A cat killed. Average is dead.